Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I would like to present our paper. The title is Effect of Feature Selection on the Accuracy of Music Genre Classification using SVM Classifier. The author is Darusal Ignatius Mases, Dewangga Satria Rahardwika, and this is me, Eko Hari Rahmawanto, Kristi Atika Sari, Ajib Susanto, Ibnu Utama Wahyu Mulyono, Erna Zuniastuti, and Amik Fahmi. The content is introduction, method, implementation and testing, conclusion. The introduction is, music is one of the most important and necessary entertainment is human life. The classification of the music genre is one of the basic things that are crucial in the music recommendation system. The problem that usually arises is the classification of the music genres on the high amount of data and the data variation. Classification music genres has indeed been a challenge in itself because of there no guidelines of the standard of the what music is like if it are grouped in the same genre. Various classification method such as support vector machine and we call SVM, KNN, naive Bayes have been widely used in various studies. This is our method. The first is music data acquisition. The second one is selecting several genres. The third one is separating data into dataset and target. The fourth is changing categories value. 5 is normalization. 6 is feature extraction. And 7 is classification. And then the last is evaluation. This is our implementation and testing. In this research, the Spotify music dataset was chosen as the music dataset used. This dataset is music dataset that has 228 159 music with 26 genres and 18 features. The process is the Python programming language is used. Beside that, it used the Python data analysis library to produce data structure and perform the data analysis, and scikit-learn to support the classification process. Scikit-learn is the package that contains important module that can support machine learning project. In detail, the following stages of the research following that the method described in the previous section. This is our implementation and testing stage in our proposed method. The first is choose the genre music and grab some music. And then B is spread dataset. Next is change the category value to numeric value. And then D is normalization. E is feature selection. And F is classification using SVM and RBF. The first, choose genre. A large number of the music and feature in the Spotify dataset make this dataset has many advantages. Because the number of music is each genre is not same. Then in this research, not all music is used, but the same amount is taken in each dataset. Another one, because of the huge number of data and the limited hardware capability, this research selected 5 music genres where each genre was taken from 6,000 music. The 5 genres are pop, electric, rap, opera, and folk. So the total music used in 30,000. 2 is spread dataset. The selected music data is then divided into dataset and target. Dataset is data with metadata used in the process of implementation method. And then furthermore, music data is divided into training data and testing data with each experiment has a ratio of 18% training data and 20% data testing. C is change the category value to numeric values. At this stage, the process is carried out using pandas. This is done so that the mathematical calculation process can be done. Because the data is type of the metadata are quite diverse, some of which are object data types. The conversion process can be done with the label encoding process. The result of the encoding label will make the future value change to numeric data types, so that is can be calculated with the same with the SVN algorithm. This normalization, the data normalization process is carried out to equalize the range of data value that differ from one another. In this study, the author changed this value to the range of 0.0 until 1.0. This is done because the SVM can calculate correctly and optimally in the range data, in that range data. In the image in right side, sample of normalization, A before normalization, B after normalization. E is feature extraction. The Spotify Music dataset provides 17 features in addition to the genre in the form of metadata that can be used from the various processes. However, the selection of the feature can be crucial given the importance of this feature can affect the classification result. We can use feature combination used for in the name is FC1, FC1, FC2, FC3, and FC4. For combination where the FC1 feature combination contain 13 feature out of the 17 with the highest score and eliminate for other feature namely during duration underscore ms, mode, track underscore name, and track underscore id. In this research, the SVM classifier with the RBF kernel is used. RBF kernel, there is a gamma variable that is used to explain how far the influence of its data in determining the decision boundary. In this research, gamma range between 0.001 to 1 and C underscore range of 0.01 to 100. The highest accuracy value is shown in experiment using combination of FC1 and FC2 feature with the same accuracy, that is 80%. The lowest result and lags far behind other experiment are the combination of FC4 feature by producing an accuracy value is 67%. The conclusion is classification is one of the methods found in data mining. In the classification, there are several main stages, namely preprocessing, feature extraction, and selection, training, and testing. The process of extraction and selecting feature is one of the key to success in improving classification accuracy. In this result, a trial was conducted with the various feature selection option in this classification of the music genres. A large number of feature available are indeed very pronounced if used entirely. From the feature selection, there is a feature selection option with the C square, as well as few manual modification based on logic. It turned out that the highest accuracy was obtained by FC1 and FC2 with the accuracy of 80%. However, the author recommend using FC2, which have favor feature, because it is can reduce the computational time required. With the result, it can be concluded that the classification result is necessary to choose features correctly to produce optimal accuracy and faster computing time. This is our reference that used in our paper. Thank you very much for your attention. Good day, everyone.